Namaste. Today I am going to explain the internal structure of heart. The structure of heart is a pear-shaped triangular outline and narrower to the posterior end and wider to the anterior ends. Our heart is protected by two membranes which are called the pericardium or the pericardial membrane. And the space between these two membranes is filled with a fluid called the pericardial fluid, which protects our heart from any shocks or injuries. There are four chambers in the heart. They are right auricle and left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Arteries. Arteries originate from the heart and carry the blood from heart to the body parts. The largest artery present in our body is the aorta, and the relatively smaller artery is the pulmonary artery, which is present on the either sides of the heart. The pulmonary artery carries the blood from heart to lungs, and veins. Veins carry the blood from body parts to heart, and the pulmonary veins which are present on the either sides of the heart carry the blood from lungs to the heart. The pulmonary veins are directly attached to the left auricle, and right auricle is directly attached to the superior and inferior vena cavas. The role of superior vena cava is to gather the blood and pump it into the right auricle, and it collects the blood from the anterior parts of our body like the head and the neck. The role of inferior vena cava is to collect the blood and pump it into the right auricle, and it collects the blood from the posterior end of our body like the hands and the legs. Our chambers like the right auricle and ventricle are separated by a muscular separation called the septa, and this septa is called the tricuspid valve or the right auriculoventricular valve. The left auricle and ventricle are separated by a muscular separation which is called the bicuspid valve or left auriculoventricular valve or the mitral valve. Thank you.